Hi, this is Rick. Today we're going to learn how to create an RFQ, which is a request for quotation, and process the purchase order in ERP and Cloud. So this is how it works. You log in as a user, go to the request for quotations in the purchases module, and create a new one. Fill up the mandatory fields. In the purchase order line, add an item or product. The RFQ can be sent to the supplier by email. Then you click on Confirm Order and the purchase order gets created. You receive the product from the supplier to a stock location and then process the invoice and payment. So let's see how it flows in ERP and Cloud. So I'm logged in as administrator. I'm in the purchases module and we're in request for quotations. So let's create a new one. So first we'll key in a supplier. We select Cirrus Logic. Their details get filled in automatically, and then we'll add an item, something that we want to get a quote for. So we select an item and then a quantity. How many do we want to buy? So we'll select 10 units and then save and close. So that's the request for quotation. Now we will either send that RFQ by email or confirm the order. So if we click to confirm, then we can see the PO number, 1257, and then we can go ahead and receive the goods. So we can see that the location is the supplier, and the destination is stock, and the products are available. So we will go ahead and receive. So that's the quantity that's available, and those are transferred into our inventory, so they're received in stock. And now we can create an invoice. So this is an internal invoice, so we create that. And you can see the details of the invoice for the supplier. It's a draft, so now we've reviewed it and we can validate. So there we have the invoice. Now we pay the invoice. And we have to select a payment method. It can be cash or a bank transfer, a credit card, check, money order, whatever. And we'll select cash. And when we validate that, then the funds are reconciled. So there's the PO. You can see that it's done, it's completed. So that's the process. You log in as a user, go to the request for quotation section in the purchases module and create a new one. Fill up the mandatory fields. In the purchase order line, add the item or product that you want to purchase. An RFQ can be sent to the supplier by email. When you click on Confirm Order, the purchase gets created. You receive the product from the supplier to a stock location and process the invoice and payment. So that's how it's done. Thank you.